What's up, you guys, bro? Another day, another W. Separate digits in array. Given an array of positive integers, return an array answer that consists of the digits of each integer in nums. After separating them in the same order they appear in nums. To separate the digits of an integer is to get all the digits it has in the same order. For example, for 10,921 separation is this. So I'm gonna get that answer. Then I'm going to, I can just do X. I was gonna do, I can just do this. So I can say N is equal to X or something. And while N, we just gotta say a little pushback. The digit, right? And then we're gonna divide equal 10 or something or whatever. Yeah, got wrong answer. Oh, so okay, so I actually want to be reversed. So it's 1 3, then 7 7 1 3. Hold up, it's gonna be 7 3 8 5 2. Okay, I think they should fix it. Okay, didn't fix it. Okay, so okay, we're gonna keep digits. Let's say digits, right? And then so first it's gonna be 3, then it's gonna be 1. So I get digits side minus 1, I agree to 0 minus dot pushback digits of I. Okay, and let's actually put this out here so we don't exceed memory or whatever. Digits clear, right? Okay. Okay, there we go, guys. Pretty good. Both time complexity and space complexity is pretty good. Yeah. Alright, guys, that's gonna be it for this one. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Have a nice Sunday, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Oh, and share also. Another day, another W.